Right, now for dessert, the finale. A pan on a high flame, I say. And into this pan, we will put 3 tablespoons of butter. Next, just as an addition, I'm going to add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, so the butter doesn't brown too quickly and burn. To this, I'm going to add an entire packet of savainas or vermicelli. In they go. I'm quickly going to fry them up. And of course, I'm going to break them as it goes along, because this is a fusion dessert. Make sure everything is coated well with the oil and butter. If you think that the oil is slightly less, just pour in another half cup of extra virgin olive oil. And of course, I'm using this instead of regular oil because A, it's healthier, and secondly, that's fusion in itself. All right, now for our next step. 6 tablespoons of sugar. And working like a dervish, mix them in. Make sure that your savainas are not browning too quickly, but just frying comfortably. So at this point, in goes the milk. Step 1. Half a cup of milk. Mix that in. And of course, immediately the butter and milk will separate, so you keep stirring to emulsify them together or bind them together again. Now, once all that milk's been soaked in, much like the risotto, add another half cup and another 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it all in, make sure that nothing sticks to the side and none of your vermicelli or the savaina are getting burned. Now I want this to be quite moist, and I actually want the milk to be the key component or the key proponent in this. So once this is mixed in, I'm going to grab another cup of milk and pour in total about 3.5 cups. Now for the dry fruit. Throw in a handful of pistachios. Lovely color. Something a little different, not usually with savainas. When we put in a handful of walnuts. And finally, just a handful of cashews. So stir them in. I'm going to add in the last half cup of milk. Keep it a little moist. Just let it come to a boil again. And add in 2 peaches that are just chopped up here as a lovely little fusion. And 1 teaspoon of coconut, dried coconut. Something different. Turn the heat off and just mix these in so the peaches don't lose their color. The coconut seeps through and your dessert is just a fantastic savaina fusion delight. And there we have it. We are done and we are ready to plate up.